Moving into kidney role in excretion, we're going to look at how does a molecule of urea actually passes through the structures. So as a summary, we always start off first by understanding where does urea actually come from. Protein is being digested into polypeptide. And from polypeptide, in the presence of uracil, is digested into amino acids, which is the simplest form. Now, amino acids will first be absorbed at the villi, and from the villi itself, it will actually be transported via the hepatic portal vein into the liver for post-processing. Now, the liver itself will actually go through and engage in deamination of amino acid. Now, this is the first time that urea is actually being produced. Now, urea will then actually leave the liver via the hepatic vein, and it will actually be first sent back towards the heart. And from the heart, it will then be pumped out via the aorta into the renal artery. And the renal artery will engage in ultrafiltration. It's not being selectively reabsorbed at the proximal convoluted tubule, the loop of Henle, or the distal convoluted tubule, not even at the collecting duct. So eventually, it will make its way into the ureter. Now, the ureter will then be sending the components that was not being selectively reabsorbed. At this moment, we are already having urine. It will be sent towards the urinary bladder, and at appropriate moments, it can then be removed via the urethra. So, putting all this into context in the question, we'll start off first at the kidney. After the kidney, it will be placed towards the bladder via the ureter. And from the bladder, it will exit via the urethra. So we're going to start off with kidney, followed by ureter, which is going to be number 3, number 1 for bladder, and lastly number 4 for urethra. So D is the correct answer for this question.